everybody, and welcome to the Benteh STEAM Academy. My name is Kat, and I'm here with James to share a really awesome project that he's been working on.
This is one of our favorite projects with kids. This is called the rubber band car, or the race car. With this one, they're tasked with powering a car that they design using design software with simply one rubber band. So what's cool about this one is they have to kind of change the elements of the car. Sometimes we'll give them the parameters as far as the height and the width. Sometimes we'll give them parameters like how much plastic they get to use, which is kind of neat with our modern day 3D printers. It allows us to say you get this much material to utilize, which helps the kids kind of learn the idea of having a set amount of supplies to run their project. So with this one, they design both their front and rear wheels. They design their body. We give them dowels for their axles. And then they create an engine. You see we just super glued a little piece of a dowel on the other dowel to power their car. And what happens is you attach it to your engine.
Oh, okay.
Give it a little
spin. So the rubber band is the thing that's really going to propel the car forward.
That's all your power. You got it.
Here,
One extra note that we added that I think made a big difference for them was adding a rubber band around their rear wheel, so that gives it a little bit more friction, because we found some kids doing some great job with their designs and being able to generate a lot of power based off of their spacing for the rubber band, and it created so much power that the wheels just spun because there was no friction. So adding just a little bit here allows us to drive the car across. So then we just make it a competition for them, allow them to give a measuring, basically a start line, and see who can go the furthest.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us. Let's see if you make this project too. Share it in the comments below.